Curry leaves, also known as kadi patta, are a staple in Indian cooking. These small, fragrant leaves are often used to add flavor and aroma to dishes such as curries, soups, and chutneys. But did you know that curry leaves also offer a wide range of health benefits? One of the most well-known benefits of curry leaves is their ability to aid in digestion. These leaves are rich in fiber, which helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. They also contain compounds that stimulate the digestive enzymes in the stomach, helping to break down food more efficiently. In addition to aiding in digestion, curry leaves are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These leaves contain antioxidants that help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis and gout. Curry leaves are also a great source of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. They also contain high levels of vitamin C, which is important for boosting the immune system and fighting off infections. In addition to vitamins, curry leaves are also a good source of minerals, such as iron, calcium, and phosphorus. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells, while calcium and phosphorus are important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Another benefit of curry leaves is their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. These leaves contain compounds that help to improve insulin sensitivity, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes. They also help to reduce the risk of developing insulin resistance, which is a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Curry leaves are also known for their ability to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. These leaves contain nutrients that help to strengthen hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. They also help to prevent premature graying of hair and reduce dandruff. In addition to their health benefits, curry leaves are also known for their culinary uses. These leaves are often used to add flavor and aroma to dishes such as curries, soups, and stews. They can be added whole to dishes or chopped finely and sautéed in oil to release their flavor. Overall, curry leaves are a versatile and nutritious ingredient that offers a wide range of health benefits. Whether you add them to your cooking or use them for their medicinal properties, curry leaves are a valuable addition to any diet. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up a bunch of fresh curry leaves and start reaping the benefits for yourself.